to Chef Dawg. This one, my wife wanted to point out that she's the one that actually picked this out, because sometimes I give her crap. This is chicken wrapped with bacon, has mozzarella, Parmesan, and Fontina cheese, and it's stuffed in chicken. So you got 32 grams of protein per serving and only 1 gram of carbs, for those of you that care. The cooking instructions are really simple. You just remove it. We're gonna place it on a baking sheet, spray a little bit of canola oil on it. If you're doing multiple, it says to space them about 2 inches apart. And then we cook it at 375 for 36 to 38 minutes. But at the 20-minute mark, you're supposed to rotate it in the oven. This right now is going for $12.89 at Costco. The brand, I guess, is Realgood. That's creative. Now, important to know, it is raw chicken, so you definitely need to cook it. You don't just heat it up. Pointed that out on here. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. All right, comes in a little baskety thing per, because there's 6 in here. It's gonna warn you, raw, do not microwave. And it also, part of the instructions, you right from freezer into oven. So you don't need to thaw this out, which would make sense because it's chicken. Okay, so size-wise, fit in the palm of your hand. Put them in the oven. Again, I sprayed the tin foil so it wouldn't stick to it with some canola oil. Okay, you want to set the temperature of the oven at 350. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes because I'm supposed to rotate them at 20 minutes and then put them in again after that for like 16 to 18. See in a minute. It just beeped our 20 minutes. So this is what she's looking like right now. Definitely not done yet. Let's rotate it now. So we're supposed to rotate it. I'm definitely going to put it back in for the recommended 18 minutes, not 16. And I'm definitely going to put it back in there for the 18 minutes, not the 16. You want your chicken cooked. Plus, I want to have it like brown and stuff. I don't want to have white. Put it back in, 18 minutes. So here you go. So we're going to actually see if the instructions are accurate. So we'll pull it out and we'll test it and let you know. Okay, just beeped again. It's been in there for like 19 minutes, not 18. As you can see, we got stuff coming out the side, so that's probably a good sign. That seems like about right. Okay, I'm gonna test the internal temperature just to double check. Now again, I didn't wanna stick it all the way down into the cheese either. I'm gonna try to keep it in the chicken. Okay, I just hit 165. I've surpassed the 165 mark, which means I'm in the safe zone now, right? We're gonna try this out. I brought my beautiful wife on here to help. She's always a fan favorite. It is chicken with cheese and bacon wrapped on it. I'm assuming you're gonna like this. Okay, yeah, she says it doesn't look like chicken.
It does chicken? Like it looks like a biscuit.
It does look like it looks like a biscuit. You're right. Love it. That's super good. Okay, to have a bigger bite than that.
Well, I just want a little bite.
Well, what's your feedback, babe? What you thinking? Go ahead and
you can. It is good.
I'm liking it.
It is really good. Mm-hmm. The texture of the
melted cheese?
Of the melted cheese is a little different, but.
What does that mean? I'd like to know what the texture of melted cheese, how that's different. Explain that to the world.
I know on some foods you just don't like the texture.
Okay, sure.
The texture.
Like what wouldn't you like the texture on?
Lettuce. I hate lettuce.
Lettuce texture. It's because it's crunchy and it tastes like you're eating grass. That's what you've told me.
You're just chewing it forever.
So you can see there that some of that spilled out, of course. You can see kind of how that chicken breast looks. They've ground that meat up or something, I don't know, or flattened it out and then however they did that. You can see how that looks, but it's delicious.
It is good.
It is really good. I would absolutely eat this again. It was easy to make, obviously. I just put it in the oven. Tastes really good. The texture of the cheese, texture of the cheese maybe.
Just ignore that.
Yeah, just definitely ignore it. Just most of the time do. But really good. Yeah, I'm a fan.
Yeah, it's good.
What would you rate it?
Like a 7.5.
I'm giving it a 9.4. Wow. 9.4. 9.4. Eat it again for sure.
Later that same evening.
So I need to give a review update on the meal that we just had. I rated it a 7.5. Let's bump it up to like a 9. This is really good. It's kind of like a chicken cordon bleu, but better, I think. Yeah. So there you go.
Sure. No McDonald's tonight. We're gonna have some mashed potatoes with it. We do have a mashed potato segment. If you want to roll back and see way back there how we make our mashed potatoes, best by far, for sure. Yep.
Thanks, Mom.
Yep, Mom's idea.
Thanks, Mom, for the recipe.
Okay, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg.
Bye.
Bye.